Hi everyone and welcome back. Today is going to be another video with my little pet bird Drina. I'm going to try to get you a little bit of a close-up look so that you can see how pretty she is. There she is. It's been about a month since I have her and I'm still training her every day. I'm trying to still get her to perch on my fingers. Sometimes she does, sometimes she doesn't. Let's see if she will do it now. No, but she is looking. Usually I have food in the other hand and she will go on my finger. So let's try to feed her a little bit here. She's become very comfortable taking food out of my hands, which is a good thing. And then she wasn't eating spray millet in the beginning, but she has started eating that as well. And there she is. Sometimes she likes to get on my hand and explore a little bit. And that's one of her favorite places to perch, probably because it's the highest place in the cage. But I've noticed sometimes when I stick my finger out there, she will get on it. And then she'll usually hop back, and she's almost like waiting for me to put my finger back there. This is how we practice. We just keep repeating basically her stepping on my finger, and sometimes she gets closer to my face. Usually she just flies away. There she is up close, looking very curious at the camera. Yeah. So we've been doing a lot of work when it comes to stepping up on my finger, and usually when she does that, I give her food as a reward. I do take her out of the cage sometimes, but I try not to do it as much just because she doesn't step up all the time. So until we get more comfortable doing that, we do most of the training inside the cage. Hey Drina! That will be it for today.